David is in a tough spot. His boss needs the company income statement by next week, but right in the middle of the data, it says your boss needs to go for a colonoscopy on Tuesday. Please pay a copay of $100. Clearly, covering the data with his elbow is not the best way to hide confidential information. Let's find out what David could have done instead. So let me go ahead and delete this data here. I'll go ahead and clear it. And let's go back up to the data and reselect the data. Instead, what David could have done is use the keyboard shortcut Control G, as in George, and bring up and click on Special. And in here, we can click on Visible Cells Only and click on OK. From there, we would click on Copy and would only select the cells. See, there's a hidden row in here, and it's no longer selecting the hidden row, only the visible cells only. Scroll down, click, and paste, and voila, and we're no longer revealing the hidden data. So that's the recommendation, to not reveal hidden data within your financial information.